What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Final Boss Garage. Today is just a really quick video. My garage has been driving me nuts, so I picked up a new Gladiator rack from Lowe's. This is on sale currently for like $260 all the way down to like $150. So it's a 77 inches. It's 6.5 feet across. Let me find the exact specs. Okay, right here. So 77 inches across, 2 feet depth, 6 feet tall. It's a 4-rack tier, and I just wanted to kind of go over how awesome this unit is. I'm halfway into assembly. I have all 4 bases on, and I just wanted to kind of show you how easy this is to assemble. There's only 4 different pieces to it. You have your sides. These are freestanding. I was scared that I wasn't going to be able to assemble this by myself because the whole thing weighs like 180 pounds, but I'm only like 20 minutes in and I'm basically done. So you just stand your sides up. It's just the wall right there, and then I stood the other one up over here, 72 inches across. I measured it out. And then your next piece are these bars right here, and these, you just put it in the appropriate slot, and then you just slide it down, and then they're locked in. So that was super easy. You can change all the depths of the racks. I bought all of these yellow totes so I could organize my stuff, so I just spaced it out to where I could fit totes in each one. And then for your support, you have these cross beams that go across, and I'm going to show you how easy those install. So all you're going to do is grab your cross beam. They aren't directional at any specific way, but these little tabs down here on the bottom, those have to go down. In between each of the racks, here I'll show you, or on the bottom of them, you have these little slots. So there's 2 on each side, and then you're just going to set the slot in it. So just go ahead. You got to kind of angle it sideways to twist it in. You're going to start with one of the little tabs in. Like that on each side. You want to do the same side because the other side, if you notice, entry side's in the center and then it locks on the side. You have to squeeze them on the top like this to get it to flex in, and then you just release and it locks in. So you're gonna do that on both sides. And then your 4th and final piece is just this aluminum rack. And then you just pick that up, and then you're going to just lay it on top. So install, super easy. Each rack is rated capacity is 2,000 pounds per shelf. So that's pretty awesome. You gotta think this thing holds 800 pounds. It says it's 180 pounds total, but if I grab it with one hand, I can lift it, I can move it. Not too bad. So instructions say assembly is a 1-man job, but moving it's a 2. But honestly, you just maneuver each corner at a time and you'll be good. So I'm going to finish throwing these together, and then I'll load it up and you can check it out. Alright, that's it. Alright guys, it's all assembled, got my mess cleaned up, got everything on here. For the moment, I still have some other stuff to organize. I'm saving this middle shelf for some stuff. I just wanted to kind of give my opinions now that I've loaded some weight on it. When you put stuff in a tote, if it's heavy, it's fine. Everything, you know, sits fine. But like in sections like this, I got 4 rotors here, like 6 calipers and some brake pads. This is probably like 200 pounds worth of stuff right here. I had to shift it over to where it was right on top of one of these support beams because this mesh or fence material didn't seem like it was going to break, but it had a lot of flex and it just made me a little uncomfortable, so I had to move it over there. I think I'm going to get a 1/8 inch sheet of plywood, and I'm gonna put it on top of each row. That'll help just disperse the weight. It's not necessarily for strength, but just to disperse the weight. But yeah, it doesn't stick out very far. You know, it's 2 feet off the wall. Super convenient. I wish I would have did this a long time ago. So pretty happy with everything. 0 complaints. I feel, you know, it's safe. I don't feel like it's going to tip over. Nothing like that. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know.